Sex is a great, all-natural cure for headaches. Sex is one of the best stress busters. It lowers your blood pressure and calms you down. Sleep-deprived men are more likely to believe women want to have sex with them. People who are into kinkier sex may be psychologically healthier. Only 18% of women orgasm on vaginal penetration alone while having sex with a partner. A vagina with really big lips labia is called a bear claw. There is absolutely no way that having too much sex can make your vagina looser. This is a myth. Your vagina can stretch to accommodate an infant's head and then return to normal size. The clitoris goes far beyond the outer portion, the glands. The entire clitoris is about 0.5 to 2 cm in length, and the external glands are less than 1 centrem. You cannot lose something inside of the vagina since it is a fixed, rather shallow canal. So a tampon, vibrator, maraschino cherry, or NuvaRing can never be lost up there. All women possess the Skene's gland. This gland is located near the urethra and the G-spot. When stimulated, the Skene's gland fills with a prostate-like fluid, which can be expelled. The way a man stands counts for over 80% of a woman's first impression. The internal clitoris is comprised of bulbous internal extensions, the vestibular bulbs, and wings on either side, the corpus cavernosum. Vagina is one of the most misused words in the English language. We often refer to the vulva, which includes the labia majora, labia minora. Vaginas are possibly the most interesting part of the body, and there is a lot to know about the mysterious, wonderful, and life-giving organ and external portion of the clitoris, as well as the vaginal canal under the umbrella term vagina. The vagina only refers to the vaginal canal, not the entire vulva. The vagina is a self-cleaning organ. You should never wash it with soap or douche. This can throw off your pH balance, leading to an infection. Public hair protects the vagina from bacteria and acts as a barrier against friction. Shaving and waxing public hair has been linked to a higher likeliness of contracting STIs. Plus, your public hair secretes pheromones, which is what attracts mates. Some women have this functionality, but the vast majority do not. No one knows for sure why this is, but some women are able to project the fluid female ejaculation and others cannot. Vulvas and vaginas are not one size fits all. Vaginas come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Your vagina is perfectly normal the way it is. Embrace your vulva love. Vaginal discharge is perfectly normal and varies from person to person. Normal discharge is usually very light gray or clear. The vaginal canal can expand to 200% of its normal size when aroused. The clitoris becomes enlarged, and the labia minora and majora swell and take on a darker shade of pink or red. All orgasms are clitorally based. Even the G-spot is linked to the clitoris. The G-spot is the apex of the internal clitoris. The vaginal canal is anywhere between 9.5 cm to 12.5 cm. 2 and 3 clitoris owners require clitoral stimulation to achieve orgasm, meaning most vagina-owning people cannot have orgasms through penetrative sex alone. A woman can orgasm in about 4 minutes through masturbation, but it will take her 10 to 20 minutes to orgasm during an intercourse. Ever wonder why it is difficult to urinate immediately after having sex? That's because when you orgasm, an antidiuretic hormone is released in your body. Ejaculated sperm survives only for a few hours outside the body, but once it enters a woman's vagina and makes its way up to her cervical mucus, it can live for up to 3 to 5 days. Sex increases your immunity to pain. Orgasms trigger hormones that help you increase your pain threshold. Post-workout is a great time to have sex. Working out releases testosterone in your body and also circulates blood into your genital area. Ginger stimulates the feelings of excitement associated with sex. Eating ginger elevates your heart rate, gets your blood flowing, and gets you excited for the night ahead. The testes increase by 50% in size when a man is aroused. There are also a lot of myths and misinformation that shroud this piece of human anatomy. Almost 50% of the population owns a vagina, and yet many people know almost nothing about the vagina or the vulva, let alone the clitoris. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.